Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to my fresh and new episode on my humble platform. Here, we'll talk about how to make money online, how to do your dollar arbitrage, how to start your own online company. Yeah, so I did a video I think last 2 days, and I use 3 apps to make money on this platform. And some of you people were saying that why should I miss that app to this? So today I want to show you how I make money without any investment, how I make money through arbitrage without even investing a penny. So this one, my recorder, it's record just 15 minutes. So if it cuts, I have to continue part two for you to also for you to also enjoy it. So stay with me from the beginning to the end. So if you want to enjoy it and benefit it, you have to watch from the beginning to the end so that you will not miss anything. Sorry. So today I'll be using 3 apps. I'll be using Exness, Binance, and Tesla app. So this is how I will do it. So mostly when I'm doing my arbitrage, I don't invest any money. And this one, like I always show my students, but today I want to show you because we are about to reach 6,000 subscribers. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you subscribe because I'm about to show you this thing for free. Yeah. So this is how I do it. Let's start. Yeah. So first of all, if you are a beginner, this is Binance, and this one is Exness. So let me go to Exness. This one is Exness and this one is Binance. Yeah. So and Exness, let me show you something. Today, the money I've been making small. You see, today's date, yeah. So I'll be making more for you to see it. Yeah. So when you open Exness, Binance, this is how Binance is. Yeah. So first of all, this is how we do it. You go to Tesla. Tesla. So this app is an investment app, but I want to show you how I earn free money on this app. This app will earn you money by what? Sharing their referral links to people. So me, what I do is like I have more than 5 WhatsApp groups. I have investment groups, I have training groups, I have blah blah groups. So I have people who are really interested in joining investment groups, and they are also affiliate marketers like me. So when they join it, they also copy the link and share to people. Yeah, so the more people are joining this platform, the more you be getting money. So today, this is the money I've made. I've made $19 so far. So this is how I did it. I did it. I use yesterday this app and I transfer the money to this platform because I want to show you a new way. Yeah. So when you go to your team, you copy the address over here. Then you share to your groups. Yeah. And this one also have, let me show you something. Total have like TRC address that you can even send money from Binance to this platform. You see that thing for you to start your investment journey. Yeah. But here I'm here to show you how I make the money without any investment. I don't invest anything. So this is how I do it. So so I invite people to this platform. Then I got a reward. So I perform my task for the reward. So when like when you invite people to the platform, you'll get a reward to it. So in case you don't understand anything, I will leave the link of all this today in the description. But disclaimer, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online. So when I search about these things and it's making money online, then I will do videos about it. So I'm just doing this for entertainment and education purposes. Yeah. So I will share this link to my people. The more they will join, the more I'll get the money. So today I got So today, I got $19. So this is how I do it to make my money. I hope you're watching it. Mhm. So I'll go to withdraw. Withdraw. Obviously that I can withdraw the 19.30. Yeah. And I'm trying to address. Then I will use Exness because transferring money from Exness to Binance is free. So this is how I do it. I'll go to I'll go to deposit. Then I'll use USDT. Continue. Then I'll copy the address. Yeah. Then I'll come back to Tesla. Then I'll paste it and I'll enter the amount I want to withdraw. So 19.30. I'm doing this live trade for you to see everything. How I do my arbitrage. Like I have many ways of doing arbitrage. So I want to show you the one way because people think that I just come, I show them, then I go. I don't do it live for them to see. So I'm doing this live for you to see. Then I'll click on continue. So this is the amount right now. This is the amount in my account, 175.06 USD. That's the amount in my wallet right now. Yeah. So I'll wait for the money to be here. So it means that right now I'm done with this platform. I'm done with this platform. So I'm now focusing on our Exness to Binance. And Exness, they have ways of depositing money in the Exness. That one I will do full videos about it and things. But today I want to show you a live trade on arbitrage. Like, yeah, that I used to earn $175 every day. At times, so I earn more than that. Yeah, depending on how serious I am and things. Yeah, because I have more apps like this. I have more apps like this that I will invite people for them to just join and I'll get commission and I'll start it. You see that? So this one you don't need any capital. All you need is what? Just invite people to join it and you get your startup capital and use it to trade. Yeah. So when I get the money in this account, in my Essence account, at times I'll go to withdrawal to test whether like if I withdraw it over here, I will earn profits. So this is how I do it. I will enter one USDT. It's 12.46. Okay, let me go to Binance and see. Binance, I'll go to trade P2P and compare Exness and Binance to see where the advantage or opportunity is. So when I come to sell, sell, here I can sell it for 12.53, 12.52, 12.52. I think here is very good. So it means that I will not sell it here. I'll come and sell it over here. So this is how I'll do it. I'll wait to receive the money in this account. Everything that I have in $194. $194. So I'll go to transaction history for you to see. I'm doing everything live for you to see. Everything I have 19.30 better. So this is how I'll do it. I'll go to Binance. Then I'll go to let me go to top. I'll go to deposit crypto. Then I'll enter USDT. So I'm doing this for beginners. If you think you are a guru and you don't want to watch, that's your own thing. I'm doing this for beginners. So those who are like feel like okay, they want to learn, yeah, I'm doing it for you, bro. Then I'll copy it. You see, I'll copy it. Then I'll go to Exness back. When I go to Exness, I'll go to withdraw. I'll go to withdraw. Then I'll not choose mobile when you choose USDT. Then I will enter the channel address over here. Then the amount I want to withdraw. You see. So let me say I want to withdraw. Let me say 10. 10 USDT. Yeah, 10. Then I'll click on though I got 19, but I'm not withdrawing all the 19. I'm doing this for video sake. So I want to, yeah. So I'll withdraw 10. Continue. Continue again. And Exness, for security reasons, unless you verify it with your, they will send you some code on your phone for you to verify your account first. Yeah, that's how Exness is. It's very good. So I've got the message. Okay. So I've got a message. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 202626. Then I'll continue. I'll confirm it. So I'm doing this step by step for you to get how I said that you can start your dollar arbitrage without even capital. So this is how I make 100 and let me screenshot it first. Okay. So this is how I make 194.36 or 194 or even more. At times I make more. At times I make more. Yeah, yeah. Like I'm not capping. You can ask my students. At times I make more than $300 a day without even investing anything. You see that at the end, yeah. So I'll wait for this. That's why I said my recorder will be 15 minutes, then it will cut. So when we are able to do everything, we will do it. If not, we will continue the session tomorrow. Yeah. So I'll wait for Binance to receive the money from Exness. I'll wait. Yeah. So when I wait better, so are we seeing that right now is 184? That means they have sent the money to Binance. So I'll wait for it to reflect in Binance. Then I will jump into P2P. So when you come to your Binance account, at times you will see, you don't see this. So at times you will see this. So you'll be thinking that, oh, so where's my USDT? Blah 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 blah. I can't find my USDT. No, bro. You just come here, everything it. You change it to where you want. So I'll say I want USDT. Then I'll change to USDT. So I'll wait for some minutes for Binance for it to reflect in my Binance account, because right now Exness have sent it. Like, let me go to Exness for me to see withdrawal transaction history. So are we seeing, okay, it's so right now they have sent it here. So Binance have sent me message that they have received the 10 USDT. They just sent me message that they have received the 10 USDT. So let me check whether it have reflect in this account. I've got the Gmail that they have received the 10 USDT. So it will process more for it to be for it to reflect here. Yeah. Yeah. So everything that is processing. So when it's done, Binance will receive it. So this one, I think when it's end, we'll continue tomorrow, yeah. And I will do the trade for you to see. Yeah. So when it reflects here, then I'll jump straight to my P2P trade. Everything, so right now it's in. The 10 USDT is in right now, but my time is up. Everything, my time is up. So I'll continue from here, I think tomorrow. How you do your P2P arbitrage on Binance. I think tomorrow I'll do that. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And I think right now, today I've done a live for you to see. Yeah. So tomorrow I'll continue from this. Yeah. So thank you for watching me and I'm out. Thank you.